Hello everyone, we're continuing to learn Thai from Gap the series, still focusing on episode 1. If you're new here, I highly recommend watching the previous videos to catch up on the basics. Each session builds on the last with new words and phrases. Before we dive in, don't forget to like the video to support the channel. Let's get started.
ม่อนเป็นลูกครึ่งอยู่ที่ไทยม่อนเป็นลูกครึ่งอยู่ที่ไทย
Means I am half Thai and living in Thailand.
เป็น
Is a Thai verb meaning to be, but it has specific rules in its usage. Unlike the general verb to be in English, it is used only with nouns or noun phrases that express identity, role, or profession. Importantly, it cannot be used with adjectives to describe a person's characteristics or state, which is a key difference from how to be is used in English. When it is used to mean to be, the negative form is not created by placing
ไม่
directly before it. Instead, you should use either,
ไม่ใช่
which is neutral, or
ไม่ได้
which emphasizes contradiction to a previous assumption.
ลูกครึ่ง ลูกครึ่ง
This term refers to a person of mixed heritage, specifically half Thai and half another nationality.
ลูก ลูก
Means child. And
ครึ่ง ครึ่ง
means half. So, Mon is describing herself as someone who is half Thai and half British. In this context,
ลูกครึ่ง
directly means I am half Thai.
อยู่ อยู่
This verb means to live or to be located and is used when describing location or existence. In this case, it indicates Mon's current place of residence.
ที่ ที่
This is a preposition meaning at or in and is used to specify a location. Here, it introduces the place where Mon is living, Thailand.
ไทย
ม่อนเป็นลูกครึ่งอยู่ที่ไทยม่อนเป็นลูกครึ่งอยู่ที่ไทยหนูพูดไทยได้ค่ะหนูเป็นลูกครึ่งหนูพูดไทยได้ค่ะหนูเป็นลูกครึ่ง
Means I can speak Thai. I am half Thai.
หนู หนู
Literally means mouse or rat. It is also commonly used by children, young girls, or women when referring to themselves, particularly when talking to someone older or of higher status, such as teachers or elders. It is a polite and endearing way of speaking, often used in informal situations where a speaker is younger or in a lower social position. Additionally, it can be used by older people when addressing someone younger as you, often with a sense of affection or familiarity.
พูด พูด
To speak.
ไทย ไทย
This refers to the Thai language when used in this context.
ได้ ได้
Is a versatile word that can indicate ability, permission, achievement, or past actions, and its meaning shifts based on sentence structure and context. In our sentence, it is used as an auxiliary verb meaning can or able to. Here, Mon is expressing her ability to speak Thai. Additionally, when it is used as a main verb, it can mean to get or to obtain.
ค่ะ ค่ะ
A polite particle used by women.
หนูพูดไทยได้ค่ะหนูเป็นลูกครึ่งหนูพูดไทยได้ค่ะหนูเป็นลูกครึ่งพูดแบบนี้พูดแบบนี้
Means speak like this or say it this way.
พูด พูด
Means to speak or to say.
แบบ แบบ
Means like or in this manner, referring to a way or style.
นี้ นี้
This, referring to something close to the speaker or context.
อย่าทำแบบนี้ อย่าทำแบบนี้
means don't do this.
อย่าทำแบบนั้น อย่าทำแบบนั้น
means don't do that.
อย่าทำแบบนี้อีก อย่าทำแบบนี้อีก
means don't do it again.
พูดแบบนี้ พูดแบบนี้ อยากโดนไล่ออกเหรอ อยากโดนไล่ออกเหรอ
means do you want to get fired?
อยาก อยาก
means to want or to desire, and it is always followed by a verb, never a noun directly. If you want to express wanting an object, you must use
อยากได้
which literally means want to get. For example,
อยากได้อะไรหรือเปล่า อยากได้อะไรหรือเปล่า
means do you want anything?
โดน โดน
The primary meaning of to be struck, hit, or come into contact with. As an auxiliary verb, it is used to form a passive structure, indicating that the subject is being affected by an action. In the context of our sentence, it functions as an auxiliary verb, suggesting that the subject might be passively getting fired.
ไล่ออก ไล่ออก
To fire someone or to dismiss from a job.
หรอ หรอ
Is informal and commonly used in spoken Thai. It is primarily used as a question particle to express surprise, doubt, or to seek confirmation. It's typically placed at the end of a sentence to turn a statement into a question.
อยากโดนไล่ออกเหรอ อยากโดนไล่ออกเหรอ เดี๋ยวนะ เดี๋ยวนะ
Is an informal Thai expression meaning wait a moment or hold on.
เดี๋ยว เดี๋ยว
It is a versatile word used in various situations depending on the context. It is commonly used in spoken Thai and can have several meanings. Firstly, soon or in a moment. When used alone or with a verb, it indicates something will happen soon, usually within a short time. Secondly, just a moment, or hold on, it can be used when asking someone to wait briefly. Additionally, in some contexts, it refers to something that will happen after some time has passed. For example,
เดี๋ยวนี้ เดี๋ยวนี้
means now, right now, or nowadays.
เดี๋ยวฉันมา เดี๋ยวฉันมา
means I'll be back in a moment.
เดี๋ยวทำ เดี๋ยวทำ
I will do it later.
เดี๋ยวจะไปหา เดี๋ยวจะไปหา
I will visit you.
เดี๋ยวก่อน เดี๋ยวก่อน
Just a moment.
เดี๋ยวนะ
Hope this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like. See you in the next one.